In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Bluetooth mouse with any Samsung tablet. Now before we start, just make sure that your Bluetooth mouse is fully charged. After you do that, then on your tablet, just go to Settings. Now under the Connection section in the main settings page, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just enable the toggle for Bluetooth. After you've done that, now for the next step, just enter your Bluetooth mouse into pairing mode. As you can see on our mouse, we have a switch at the bottom of the mouse. Now I will toggle the switch down to Bluetooth pairing mode. And once your Bluetooth mouse enters into pairing mode, then just tap on Scan, and you will find the name of your Bluetooth mouse under the Available Devices section. Now just tap on the name of your Bluetooth mouse and select Pair. Now as you can see, we have successfully paired our Bluetooth mouse with our Samsung tablet, just like that. And from here, you can use your mouse with your tablet, just like that. And this is how you can connect your Bluetooth mouse with any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.